students. Today I am going to show you the procedure to get registered as a healthcare professional under Dubai Health Authority. As you may be knowing, Dubai Health Authority is the nodal authority for giving registrations or providing registrations for healthcare worker so that they can be practicing or working in Dubai, either as a specialist or as consultant or as general practitioner. So now the question is how to get registered as a healthcare worker under DH or Dubai Health Authority. I am going to show you the complete procedure. So be ready. If you if you take pen and paper and if you note down, it will be easy for you to later refer to your notes because the procedure is a bit complicated. Now see, there are four government authorities or authorities uh, which will be involved in the complete registration process. One is medical council of your country, like medical council of India or state medical council. In my case, it is state medical council or Maharashtra medical council. Second authority will be Dubai Health Authority, which is also known by name of sheryan. Third authority will be data flow, uh, which will be verifying your documents, whatever documents you produce. Data flow is the agency which will be verifying your documents from the source. From the source means from the place from where you have got the that particular document. Like if you are producing registration, then they will directly go to the university. If you are producing a degree, they will directly go to the university and confirm whether the degree has been given or issued by the that particular university or not. And the last authority will be prometric, which will be conducting your computer based test or CBT test. All these four authorities will be involved in the complete process of registration. Now coming to the part 1, it is the role of respective medical council. I have completed my MBBS as well as MD from the state of Maharashtra. So in my case, Maharashtra Medical Council will be the nodal agency to provide registration details. So there are two things which I am supposed to be taking from the Maharashtra Medical Council for the purpose of registration as healthcare worker in the under Dubai Health Authority. One is valid registration, that is called MMC registration. You can also produce MCA registration or your respective state or a registration certificate issued by respective state like Madhya Pradesh or Andhra Pradesh Medical Council, whatever the case may be. Second is good standing certificate, which is issued by every state medical council, or even it can be taken from the Medical Council of India if you are registered directly under Medical Council of India. You will have to keep these two things ready before you start your registration. Now coming to the next part. Next part is how to obtain good standing certificate from state medical council. In my case, it is Maharashtra Medical Council. So now I will show you the procedure. First, you will have to go to the website of Maharashtra Medical Council, that is maharashtra-medicalcouncil.in. After going there, you will have to put your registration detail. Well, first is your email address, proper email address, followed by you will have to put password. After you have put the password, you will have to put your registration number and then captcha. After successfully putting all the details, you will be able to log in. In case of Maharashtra Medical Council, they will send you an OTP on your mobile, respective mobile number. So I have just received this OTP. I am putting this OTP. After putting OTP, you will have to click on continue and then this option, services for applications. In this, there is a 13 number option, which is good standing certificate from MMC. The details have already present there. You will not have to put anything. Just put captcha and then click on submit. It will take a while. After clicking on submit, you will have to note down this reference number MMC 2022 45651. Copy it, click on OK, and then after that you will have to make an online payment. Just check this box and then click on pay now, and then probably I have clicked on wrong option. I will go back and then I will click on pay now. After clicking on pay now, you will have to put the reference number which we have already copied. I am not doing that because I am not making any payment now. So show payment details. After that you can pay. So this much if you do, if this procedure is complete, they will send you good standing certificate, digital copy on your email address, and they will also send the copy to the email provided by you. Whatever email you provide, they will send the digital copy of good standing certificate to the particular email address. After you have completed the process of obtaining good standing certificate, you will have to go to the Sheryan portal. You cannot complete the process of Sheryan portal unless and until you have everything ready. So you will have to first obtain good standing certificate and other documents, and after that you will have to move over to part 2. Part 2 is Sheryan, registering yourself on Sheryan. Sheryan is the portal where you can check whether you are eligible to work as consultant or specialist or general practitioner, and then you can register yourself. Consultant usually are those people who have Western qualifications. Qualifications like MD, MS or DNV, particularly from India, we can work as a specialist, and if you are MBBS, then you can work as GP. So first of all, you will check the eligibility and then you will register. So now coming to the eligibility part. First of all, go to Sheryan website. You can just write Sheryan in the Google bar or address bar, and it will open the Dubai Health Authority website. Then you will have to log in. Because I have already registered, then that's why I'm logging in. Otherwise you can register yourself first and then put your username and password and then log in. After logging in, you will have these options. Click on that your name and then go to my dashboard. After going to get dashboard, my dashboard, click on professional. After that it will open some options like details are given like popular services, new applicant, registered professional. You will have to click on new applicant and then self assessment tool. Self assessment tool will help you it will show you whether you are eligible to work as a specialist or not. Click on self assessment tool and then put the category you are applying for. I am applying for physician, so I am putting physician. Next, what is your nationality? It is India, so I am putting India. Next, which college you complete your basic medical degree from? I am from MGM Medical College, so I am putting MGM Medical College, Aurangabad. Oh, sorry, it is which country did you complete your basic medical degree from? So it is India, so I put India. Next, which institution did you complete your basic medical degree from? MGM, now it is the institute, MGM Medical College, Aurangabad. Now what is your basic, where did you when did you complete your basic medical degree? So you will have to put the year, put exact detail. I am putting put exact details because otherwise it will be difficult. Which title are you applying for? I am applying for physician. Sorry, specialist. What is your specialization? I am pediatrician, so I am putting pediatrics. You can put whatever specialty you belong to. Is pediatrics. Which country is your specialty degree issued from? It is India. Which specialty degree certificate do you hold? I hold MD, so I am putting MD pediatrics or MD. When did you receive this specialty certificate? You will have to put specific dates. Don't put wrong dates, otherwise it will create trouble for you later. So when did you receive? You will have to put the date on which you have received your MD degree. So do you have any related professional experience? Yes. Put whatever experience you have. It is mandatory to have 2 years experience after MD for anyone to work as a specialist. Unless you have 2 years experience post MD, you will not be eligible to appear for specialist exams. Which country did you complete this professional experience? It is, I have completed this from India, so it is India. Do you want to add another experience? If you have, you can put. I don't have, so I am not putting. My specialization is pediatrics and I have doctor in medicine. all these details. It is just for confirmation, and then after that click on get result. Now the result has come. It is coming. You are eligible to become a registered healthcare professional as a specialist. So now I know that I am eligible to become a registered healthcare professional as a specialist. Whatever detail I have put here now, it will automatically go to data flow part. So all the details you are putting here must be accurate. Now coming to the second part. After you have found that you are eligible for a special after you have found out that you are eligible to work as a specialist or consultant or as GP, next step is beginning of registration process. This is the actual registration process which is beginning from here now. Now you will have to go to the same website, Sheryan portal or Dubai Health Authority portal. Now you will see uh, these options. Again, same options are coming. Click on professionals. Then you will have to go to new applicant. Self-assessment. Already we have done this self-assessment, and it has shown that I am eligible to work as a specialist. So now I am actually going to the part of getting registered. So the details are given here: professional licensing process, who can apply, what is the time requirement. All those details are are given here. I am skipping everything: service step, service channel, all these things. I am going directly to physician. Approximate cost 2000 dirham. Click on get registered. There are two or three important parts here. One is document verification followed by CBT assessment, pediatric. I am pediatrician, so it is showing pediatrics, and then application, actual application. So now document verification part and then computer based test part. These are the two parts which is going to be followed by the registration process. Now you are seeing here, this is data flow. It is document verification. It will verify your educational and experience documents related to your experience. Now education part is MBBS or your graduation. After that MD, that is post graduation. You will have to keep these documents ready, and then experience letter. Medical license means your MMC registration or MCI, and then good standing certificate which we have already obtained. After that click on I confirm paying for, and then go to data flow. This will take you to a new website, that is data flow website. I am already registered. If you are new, you will have to first register and then log in. Because I have already been registered, I am putting my details into data flow website: login name, password, and then uh, login name, email ID and password, and then DHA unique ID you can copy from your Sheryan login account. Put the same DHID here. Click on I am not robot and then login. After logging in, it will show you your personal details and then profession. Or you will have to first register. I am already registered, that's why it is showing. Then you will have to create a new letter of authorization. Click on create a new letter of authorization. It will open a new window. You will have to take print of this letter of authorization and then upload it. I have already uploaded. This consent you will have to, actually it is consent you are giving to data flow, so that they will be authorized to verify your documents from the source, like from your university or your college or whatever it is. After that, after you have uploaded letter of authorization, you will have to create a case. Letter of authorization is valid only for 15 days. After that, you will have to create a case. There are packages for MD people or postgraduate people. Package 1 is necessary because 2 educational qualifications are there only in package 1. In package 2, only 1 educational qualification is there. So you will have to select package 1 if you are MD. You can choose package 2 if you are MBBS. After choosing package 1, select case type, and then you will have to choose package 1 and then create case. It is going to cost you 1235 dirhams. and then click on next. And then after that you will have to put all your details, educational qualification and then experience, everything you will have to put. Two educational qualification, one experience, one good standing, and one MMC or MCA registration, whatever is applicable to you. If you go down, all these details you will have to put one by one, every degree, postgraduate degree, experience, and then after putting everything you will have to click on you will have to upload the documents, and then you will have to click on next. After clicking on next, it will ask you to pay the charges, and after the payment is done, the process of data flow will start on, and you will be informed within 15 days about the result of your data flow verification. Once you have created a case, it usually takes 15 to 20 days, but sometimes it may take even 4 to 6 weeks for verification of your primary source. And once your data flow verification is complete, then another process is prometric computer based test. Prometric computer based test can be simultaneously given while the data flow process is going on. For this you will have to click on prometric, go to prometric, and then it will open the prometric website. After you have completed the data flow process by creating a case, next step would be scheduling a prometric test. For scheduling a prometric test, you will have to go to you can go to prometric website through Sheryan portal itself. In Sheryan portal, after document verification, there is CBT assessment, pediatrics. It is written pediatrics because I am a pediatrician and I have put my degree as MD pediatrics. You can put whatever specialization you belong to. Then you are not exempt. We are not exempt from the assessment. We will have to click on go to prometric. Then it will open a prometric window. Then you will have to click on schedule exam, and then you will have to put test owner search. Here in this bar you will have to put Dubai Health Authority because we are appearing for Dubai Health Authority exam. Click on go, and then click on Dubai Health Authority, and then first of all you will have to create eligibility. Here you will have to put your DHA unique ID which you can get from Sheryan portal. Then your category, that is physician, title is specialist, my specialty is pediatrics. After that you will have to generate your eligibility. Now here it is saying an active eligibility already exists, so you can put this eligibility. You note down this eligibility, copy it, and then go back to prometric, and then now you will have to schedule your exam. Click on schedule. After clicking on schedule, it will open these options. Click on search availability, then next. All these are you are giving your consent to consent for your appointment. Then you have put your eligibility number which we have already copied. Now 4 characters of last name, it must match, otherwise it will not it will not proceed further. Now this is showing testing window. You will have to select testing window. Testing window means you will have to select the dates in between which you want to appear. The first is the place. I want to appear in Hyderabad, so start date is 1 March, 1st March to 15 March. Out of this 15 days window period, the availability is in between it available on 2 3 4 7. I have selected 3 at 8 o'clock. I have selected the time 8 o'clock. Now biometric collection, I am giving consent to collect my biometric data at the time of exam. Now form will open. You will have to fill up this form. You will have 15 minutes to fill up this form and then pay. After filling up this form and after payment, you will get appointment. That appointment will be communicated to you to your email, official email address. After that, your 2 processes are over. One is data flow process is over. Second is prometric. You have scheduled your exam. At the time of your exam, you will have to appear for exam, and if you pass, Then the last procedure, final step is after data flow document verification and prometric exam is final registration as a healthcare worker in Dubai. So for this, you will have to again go to Sheryan portal. Sheryan portal is the main thing from where everything will occur. After going to Sheryan portal, click on get registered, and then you will have to select, as I am physician, select physician, click on get registered. After you have completed document verification and then CBT assessment pediatrics or whatever specialty, this form will open. Now it is not opening because I have not passed that exam yet. So it is grayed out, it is not active. But as soon as I pass the exam and as soon as my data flow process is over, it will become active, and then I can get myself registered, and after registration I will be eligible to work in Dubai. So this is the complete process. Even you can go to add and upgrade professional registration, and then it will show you the option of registering yourself or updating registration. And again, you cannot proceed with this service because your professional account status is new user. After passing exam, it will become active. Now some tips: apply in advance for data flow because many times data flow verification takes time. If the document verification authorities do not respond to data flow queries, then there will be additional delay. Always give correct email, working phone numbers for verification of documents. If possible, inform the authorities in advance that there is data flow verification pending, and because they may receive a call, because sometimes a direct call from data flow will confuse the authorities, or if they are busy, they may not respond properly. And if they not respond properly, your data flow process will get delayed. There are some additional certificates required for registration, such as NRP for pediatrician and ACLS for anesthesiologist. So you must inquire about any such additional qualification or certificates. There are some time specific there are some time specific documents such as letter of authorization, which is valid for 15 days, and good standing certificate, which is valid for 3 months. So you must be doing your procedure before these document validity expires. Thank you, and for any query you may contact me at my email address. I'll respond to your queries. Thank you.